The most dangerous level of mental stillness discipline that makes others uncomfortable. There is a level of calm that unsettles people, not because it is loud, not because it demands attention, but because it does not react. When you stop explaining yourself, when you stop rushing, when you stop needing permission to act, others feel it immediately. They sense something has closed inside you, something they can no longer influence. This is the kind of discipline people call extreme, not because it is harsh, but because it removes them from the equation entirely. And that is what makes them uncomfortable. Today is not about motivation. It is not about productivity. It is not about becoming better. This is about reaching the most dangerous level of mental stillness, a state where the mind no longer negotiates. An ancient system of stillness. In ancient Japan, there was a concept known quietly among warriors and monks, not taught openly, not written for beginners. A state where action continues even when emotion disappears. Zen monks called it Mushin no mind. Samurai lived it before battle, sword drawn, breath slow, no inner dialogue, no hesitation, not calm like rest, calm like a drawn blade. Modern culture has forgotten this state. We confuse stillness with passivity. We confuse discipline with force. The ancients knew better. Stillness was not the absence of action. Stillness was the removal of internal resistance And once resistance is gone, nothing can stop movement. A person who cannot stay consistent. Let me introduce someone familiar. His name does not matter, because in some way, it is you. He starts strong. New routines, new plans, new clarity. For a few days, he feels aligned, focused, in control. Then something small breaks it. A missed session, a late night, a moment of doubt. He tells himself, I'll restart tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes guilt. Guilt becomes avoidance. He does not lack intelligence. He does not lack ambition. He lacks continuity. And without continuity, nothing survives. Chapter I, The Illusion of Motivation. Ask yourself this: why do you still wait to feel ready? Motivation is emotional permission, and emotions are weather. The ancient warriors did not wait to feel brave. Monks did not wait to feel inspired. They moved because the time arrived. Motivation is a modern myth, a comforting lie that says, once you feel different, you will act. The truth is colder. Action precedes feeling. Structure precedes desire. Stillness is not found by chasing energy. Stillness is found by removing the need for it. Chapter 2, The Illusion of Choice. Every time you decide, you weaken yourself. Choice feels like freedom, but choice is friction. The samurai did not ask, should I train today? The question did not exist. When action is predetermined, the mind becomes silent. Neuroscience supports this quietly. Studies from institutions like Harvard and Yale show decision fatigue erodes self-control. The ancients solved this without research. They eliminated choice entirely. No debate, no inner counsel, only execution. Chapter 3, The Illusion of Variety. Modern minds crave novelty. Different routines, different methods, different philosophies, but mastery is repetition. A river cuts stone not by force, but by returning to the same path. Zen monks swept the same floors, practiced the same breath, sat in the same silence. Variety scatters the mind. Repetition sharpens it. Stillness deepens when movement becomes familiar. Chapter 4, The Illusion of Perfection. Perfection is procrastination in disguise. You delay because conditions are not ideal, because timing is off, because you are not ready. The ancient system did not care. Practice was sacred because it was continuous, not because it was flawless. A broken chain is not fixed by polishing one link. Continuity matters. Perfection does not. Chapter V, The illusion of willpower. Willpower is exhaustion. It implies struggle, force, resistance. True discipline is mechanical, like gears turning, like choreography already memorized. MIT and Yale research suggests habits outperform conscious effort. The ancients already knew. They built systems that ran without emotion. No effort, no inspiration, only motion. The system, the most dangerous form of stillness. Now listen carefully. This is where discipline stops being something you do and becomes something that happens through you. 1. Public declaration. Speak it. Write it. Commit where it cannot be erased. Not for validation, for psychological closure. 2. Fixed time, same time. Every day. Time removes negotiation. 3. Fixed action, not outcomes, not goals. One defined action. 4. Practice without gaps, never miss twice. Continuity above all. 5. Pre-decided responses. When resistance appears, the answer is already chosen. No debate. This is not motivation. This is automation. At a certain point, something unsettling happens. You no longer feel like the person you were. The old self hesitated. The old self negotiated. The old self needed reassurance. This self moves silently. Friends may not notice immediately, but they will feel it. Your calm will feel heavy. Your consistency will feel threatening. Because you are no longer improvising your life. You are executing it. This is identity death and rebirth. You are nitrogen monoxide longer normal. Normal people rely on feelings. Normal people wait. Normal people explain. You do not. You arrive. You act. You continue. You are not intense. You are resolved. You are not obsessed. You are settled. Stillness has become your weapon. If you understand what was said today, do not let it remain abstract. Subscribe to this channel not for content, but as public declaration ***. Comment below with a single sentence. I do not negotiate with myself anymore. This is not engagement. This is commitment. Once written, it cannot be unwritten. From this moment forward, every action you take either confirms this identity or exposes hesitation. There is no middle state anymore. You will feel quieter, heavier, more alone. That is the cost. And once paid, you will never return to the noise you came from. Sit with that, then act.